Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Lloyds online banking account right from your computer. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. Into the URL box at the top, type in www.lloydsbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Lloyds Bank, which looks like this. To log into your online banking account, make sure that you're inside this log on tab, and once you click on it, you'll be able to see this interface. Choose whether you'd like to log into your personal account or business and give it a click. On the next page, go ahead and enter your user ID in the first text box that is associated with your account. Once you do that, head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct. Double check your password by clicking on the show link on the right hand side. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials, click remember my user ID button, and next time you try to log into your account, you won't have to type in your user ID again and again. But make sure to leave it unchecked if you are using a public device or a shared computer. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, you can click on forgotten your log on details and follow the instructions, and you'll be able to reset to a new password or your user ID. After typing in your credentials correct, you can click the continue button in order to log into your Lloyds online banking account quick and easy. By logging into your online banking account, you can get hold of your account, check your balance, view your transactions, and so much more whenever you want and wherever you are. That's much for today. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.